Okay, so guys, like I previously mentioned in a Facebook post, I'm kind of stuck here because I had guests from Seattle that stayed at the house, and I had to be here physically to facilitate their stay here and everything. So we apologize to anyone who had to come to the office in the past 3 days. We were not able to be there, but I want to give some updates to the teams that's participating in the hackathon. Well, first, I'd like to personally congratulate you on an amazing event. We met people that were so driven, passionate, and forward-thinking, and we were really impressed with the level of the ideas and everything. As you know already, codeMghrib has offered to help you guys build your first prototype 100% for free at its offices downtown, and some of the teams have showed up. codeMghrib and Clustered have showed up to the office, and they've spent the entire day from like 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. coding. They got introduced to HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. They had a pretty good day, so now they have an exposure and a bit of a basic understanding on how to actually start making their prototype. So Iman was there from codeMghrib, Salim from Clustered, and later on in the day Mehdi has joined us. Okay, so great. My message to the other teams is that, okay, try to get yourself, I'm talking to like the head of the teams, try to get yourself and your team to the offices of codeMghrib as soon as you can, so we can start discussing like your first prototype. codeMghrib and Clustered have already started on it, and we would like you guys also to join us in order to be able to do that. Abdul Latif has contacted me today. That's the founder of Sanati, and I wasn't able to make the meeting at 5 o'clock. Maybe we will video conference later on, I'm not sure. Okay, so where to go from here? This is the message to the teams, guys. The first thing you need to do, whatever name you've picked up and came up with the idea at the hackathon, whatever name that was, make sure that you have a domain name that is available actually. And one of the best companies I recommend is GoDaddy.com. So go to GoDaddy.com and check if your name is available. For example, if you are Clustered, look for isClustered.com available. If you are BitLearny, look for BitLearny.com. If you are codeMghrib, look for codeMghrib.com, and so forth. Okay, so find the domain name, buy it, and that way you have your address that matches your business name on the internet. Now, if you are thinking of other names, then pick those names and buy the domain name, okay? So, buy the domain name and start working on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can get introductions to that online on either Codecademy, Treehouse, or you can simply just get on Hangout at codeMghrib, and we will just give you the initial steps prior to you coming to the office. Okay, guys? All right, so the next step for the other teams is come to the office, and then as far as Iman, Salim, and Mehdi are concerned, really good job on last time's session, and yeah, I'll get in contact with you to set up a later session where you guys can come and continue on with learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. I do remind everyone that codeMghrib has opened up its doors to all the teams that participated in the hackathon. So simply come to the office, at least get started working on your prototype. It's very important that you start building your prototype from here. So it's crucial. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. And we will see you all when we get back to Casablanca, okay? And as you see, we're here at a lovely place, so it wasn't that hard to actually make the decision to stay for a few days. Okay, guys, so I'll see you when I get back to Casablanca. Keep coding, and to all the teams, get to the office as soon as you can and get your team together if you can do that. If not, then the heads of the teams could show up and get started on the prototype. Okay, so good luck guys and keep coding.